दुसरी गोष्ट I went as told to Didi when I will come to Calcutta, meet you at Calcutta and also discuss various points on their right. That is what why I went to Calcutta.
तर सीट सेटिंग तुमी जाला
कशें मुखार वचपाचें कितें करपाचें कोणाक कशें हेल्प करपाचें तें सगळें आमी डिस्कस केलें.
कितले सीट मागले
ना मागप ते आमचें चालू आसा ते फायनल सादारण 30 तारखे जातले आमचे 12 सीट मागले आमी 30 तारखे फायनल जातले.
तुम्ही रिजनल राऊंडला उपस्थित आहे.
रिजनल वॉज वन ऑफ द पर्सन हू केम विथ अस.
ओके, सो किती फायदे जातले?
कोण गेले तुमचे
हांव रिजनल आनी आनी 4-5 जाण आशिल्ले.
रेजनल काय आजार
ॲडव्हान्टेज
आतां येता मरे तो विचार म्हणटा.
सर आनी खंयची पार्टी बी मत जावपाचें
आतां काँग्रेस उरले खंय प्लीज काँग्रेस काबार फक्त TMC गोवा MPP and BJP.
चालूचा रिझाईन केला त्याच्या
कादूस ऑल्सो वेलकम इन अवर एलायन्स.
सर आनी खंयची पार्टी बी जॉईन जावपाचें तुमच्या एलायन्साक बी TMC आनी
there may be possibility adding one or two parties in the alliance.
सर खंय तरी NCPचें उलोवप चालू आहा तुमचे कडेन सर TMC
There may be one or two alliance partners. I can't tell you at this stage. This will be out only after 2018.
चालूचा बदल किती म्हणतात
Naldus is a very good MLA. He can again get elected with a proper backing of the party.
तर TMC अपोज जाल्या कालुसाक बी
Definitely असतले.
तूं कितें
Every
उलोवप
approach
जाला
झाला because Carlos is a very good MLA I think.
तुम्ही कुठं सर बरं करून आता घ्या बसून राहा आता घेऊन दे सामारे यो 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 बैठक सांग 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 तू
आयज तुमी तुमच्या लिडराक वेलकम करपाक गेले
की आज आमचो रेजिनाल्ड आमच्या पक्षान TMCन जॉईन जाल्लो आसा आनी रेजिनाल्ड आमच्या पक्षान जॉईन जाल्या नंतर एक पॉझिटिव्ह वातावरण आमच्या गोंयभर तयार जावपाक अत्यंत म्हत्वाची एक जी गरज आसा ती जाल्लेली आसा. आमी 2 म्हयन्यान ज्या वेळार आमचो पक्ष गोंयांत प्रवेश केल्या नंतर जी सुरवात जाली तातूंत आज जे एक पाऊल रेजिनाल्डान घेतलेलें आसा तातूंत खरें म्हणल्यार पक्ष एक भक्कम वाटेर जी तांची वाटचाल आसा आमच्या पक्षाची ती आनीक भक्कम जाल्लेली आसा. रेजिनाल्डा बाबतींत आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की रेजिनाल्ड हॅज बीन ऑलवेज अ वॉयस ऑफ गोवा इन असेंब्ली एज वेल एज इन गोवा. सो रेजिनाल्डा सारकिलो एक टॉलेस्ट लिडर आमच्या पक्षान येवप ही अत्यंत एक खरें म्हणल्यार आनंदाची गोष्ट आनी येयल्या नंतर अवश्य एक जी सक्सेस जो आमच्या पक्षाचो आसा तो आनीक खंय तरी वाडटलो असून मातूय दुबाव ना.
कुर्तरी बाबतींत तुमी कितें सांगूंक सोदता रेजिनाल्ड ऑन TMC लायकली टू विन कॉन्फिडंट ऑफ विनिंग कितें तुमचें कितें म्हणणें कितें?
Reginald has got his own image. Reginald has been always Reginald is not only to the Kurtorim constituency. Reginald has been seen as a leader of Goa across the Goa state. So I think that Reginald image is there. Since Reginald image is there across the Goa, definitely I think he will definitely it will not easy. It will not be difficult for him to win in Kurtorim.
मॅडम या मॅडम या
Yeah, we're very happy that Sir Reginald Lorenzo has joined the TMC party today, and he has joined the TMC family. I think it's a very good moral boost for the TMC workers because Reginald, being a young person, young leader, he will always send a good message. He has been very vocal in the assembly, like everybody knows, and I'm sure today Reginald was convinced what is happening in the Congress, and that made him join the TMC. Today Congress is a sinking ship, everybody knows. There's nobody left. that the Congress party is kaput, is finished, and this was predicted long time back that this would be the fate that Congress would meet. So I'm happy that Reginald Lorenzo has joined us, and we will definitely take a step forward to build the TMC stronger and stronger in the days to come.
या मॅडम या
आयज आमकां चड खुशी आसा की आमचो रेजिनल्ड सर TMC जॉयन केल्ले आसा आनी आमकां विश्वास आसा की खूब जाण लोक ताका बरे लिडर म्हणून जाणा तो आनी ताणें खूब गोंयचे खातीर खूब कामां केल्लीं आसा लोकां खातीर खूब काम केल्लीं आसा तर हे डावट ना की TMC येतकीर ताणें कितें लोकांक वायट करपा अशें करतलो कशें पण आमकां विश्वास आसा की आमची TMC BJPक आमी बरें फायट दितली आनी रेजिनल्ड सर कुट्टोरीनाचो लिडर आसा तो थंय जिखून येतलो तर तो एक सीट आमचें कन्फर्म जिखपाचें आमी 100% शुअर आसा तर बाकीचेय आमी जिखपाक खूब आमचें मन लावन ट्राय करतली आनी लोकांक आमी अशें कन्विन्स करतली की लोकांक कळून येयलें आसा की BJP पार्टीन आयज पर्यंत कितें केल्लें आसा आनी कितें ना तें देव बरें करूं
ना तुमचं
शीतल गुंजीकर फातोर्डा
विक्रम विक्रम
आयज मनाक खूब शांती जाली बरें आमचो रिजनल कुर्तोरीचो तो विनींग कॅन्डिडेट अजून ताका कॉन्फिडंट आहा की बाबा तो विनर आतां तो चिंतला की आख्या गोंयकारां चिंतला तेणें कितें म्हणून की आतां हांव कुर्तोरी परत जिखतलो काँग्रेसा हितून परत म्हाका हे विकतले एजंट ते काँग्रेसीचे जे एजंट आहा ते म्हाका परत विकतले थंय ताका लागून तो गोंयकारांचे बरें चिंतून तो सामको एक बरी डिसिजन घेतली तेणी आख्या गोंयकारां लागून तो TMC जॉयन जाला हांव ताका काल रातल्यान सल्यूट मारता कित्याक तो ते एजंटाचें आयकपा वचूंक ना एजंटाच्या फाटल्यान पळयलेले बाबा तूं कसोय कर ताका फोन येयले 10 येयले कितले येयले तो बाबा आपल्या मनाक आपले गोंयकारांचे बरे भाशेन विश्वास करून तो विनर कॅन्डिडेट TMC तो तेणी जे चॉयस केला ते सामकें बेस्ट
ओके सर
आता घेऊन बसा आहे घेऊन बसा आहे केन्ना जालो कितें सांगपाक तुमकां ना आधी धाडल्यार मिलू ना पोलीस बघा
किती खाडू लावा हे करून लावला मग सगळं
पेपर ये ना मात्र किती उद्या बंद करतो लक्षात नाही होत हां लक्षात गेलं ना त्याचे सेपरेट होतं ते सेपरेट
रॉयल्स हे TMC पक्षान जॉईन जाल्यानंतर निश्चितपणान एक गोंया खातीर जो बरो गोंयचो लिडर जो TMC खातीर आतां फुडाराक आमकां खरेंच बरो पडटलो आनी TMC आयज दिसान दीस स्ट्रॉंग जायत आसा पार्टी तेन्ना रेजिनल्ड लॉरेन्साचें स्वागत करपाक आमी मुद्दाम हांगा आवर्जून हेडक्वॉर्टर येयल्ले आसा आनी TMC डेफिनेटली एक प्रयत्न करतले आनी निश्चितपणान यशस्वी जातले एक बरें सरकार फुडलें दिवपाक गोंयकारां खातीर गोंया खातीर
रिजनल बाब पयलीं काँग्रेसीन आसले आनी तेन्ना तेंच्या वांगडा काँग्रेसीचे समर्थक आसले सो ते कशे तुमी TMC कडेन वळोवपाचें
डेफिनेटली रेजिनल्ड बाब एक तेजी पर्सनॅलिटी आसा ते स्वता तेंचे इतके बरें कार्य आसा त्या मतदारसंघान कुडतरीन की लोक डेफिनेटली तेज्या कार्याची आनी रेजिनल्डाची दखल घेतले TMC डेफिनेटली एक बरो पक्ष म्हणून वयर सरला आनी आयज गोंयान जेची गरज आसली तो पक्ष घेवन आयज तो फुडें वयता आनी निश्चितपणान ताचो फायदो जातलो लोक सगळे ताचे बरोबर निश्चितपणान रावतले दोन फुलांचो काळ गोंयची नवी सकाळ दोन फुलांचो काळ गोंयची नवी सकाळ दोन फुलांचो काळ गोंयची नवी सकाळ रेजिनल्ड तू आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं
हालत जाली आमी सांगला तुका I think that. Sorry? Yeah. No. Okay. You go. I'll send it. You will send. You also will be going to Japan. Okay, Suraj, like rice. Okay. I'm also there for Thailand. Overall, lot of communications. I'll send everyone. You don't know. Okay. आणि उलू पण यार
मीटिंग आणि ते म्हणतात की त्यांच्या तालुक्यातले संपर्काने आणि तालुक्यात बरोबर म्हटला whether this will whether he will join TMC or elsewhere आणि आता मी वाट बघत की रिजनल बाब त्यांना बाहेर येऊ शकतात ऑलरेडी फ्लाईट लँड झालेला असतात आणि तिथे समर्थावर वेळ जाते कोण एवढं की ते म्हणतात की रिजनल बाब डिजिटल चुकलेलं आणि ते बिलिंग करणं जायचं तसं तिथे काँग्रेस सपोर्टर्स जे आहे जे तिथे TMC आता रिजनल बाबा शेती की त्यांनी ते कार्य करणार ते काहीतरी कार्य त्यांच्यामध्ये
I don't want to also.
Bye. इधर मिस्टी बैठ के बाद और स्टार्ट होते ना
But in pure color, what is it?
the mobile support.
You want to vote? Yeah. This one.
But I'll also go live, okay?
Yeah, okay, no problem. अरे तो जवली करके
You're from which media?
I'm a freelancer.
Freelancer.
I do Innova, Herald, Vaikar,
No, this is not ours. I went live for Sudhin. Now we'll go live again. I made it when it comes. I didn't go like
You could have come up from the other gate.
hey, Pranay, go phone. You come here.
So I have a strong feeling to come up from the other grade.
I need Pradeep ji's number. And we texted from your phone, no? Then I
Yeah, okay. Just 1 minute, just get 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah.
आप बीच में रुको जब हम मुंह अपना हो हाँ वेरी गुड
Pata.
सर अगले नहीं Sir, your first word on this new inning.
Let me first speak and then you ask me questions. Everybody wants to know. I think there's too much noise.
It's okay.
Too much of noise. I only want to tell you one thing. Today, I want to my entire conversation press. I want to make it into 5 parts. I have one guy called Chandran. He's a guy who is with me. He's not my staff. I don't pay him anything. I've got a lot of people who work for me like this, who help me in my times. Even my family has always been with me. And I want to tell you that today I'm grateful to a lot of people, a lot of friends who have always, even in the thick and thin of time, have been with me. Now I want to begin and I want to put it into 5 parts. 1, who I am and from where I started. 2nd, I want to reply why I went to the TMC. 3rd, I want to reply on all the allegations. 4th, what I did. 3rd, I will reply what I did for the Congress party. 4th, I will reply to all the allegations. And 5 is the last part, what I will do. Let me begin. I started as a ZP member with no political history and no background. My father was not in politics. I had no political background. But I slogged. Every time I fell down, I got up. I got up to be a stronger man. With all the support of my people, my family, they stood up with me. They have been the thick and thin of times, they stood up with me. I went to be the MLA. In 2007, with the support of the people. I have worked. This must be the 30th year I am in social service, or 32nd year in social work. Politics perhaps a little later. But my social work, what I started some years back, of even going to people in hospitals, continues to this day. I started as a humble beginning, with all the humbleness. Call me what you want. You like me or you hate me. I will speak the truth. I am not a politician who has, planned what I am going to speak. I have not written down. I have not got a script. I will speak from my heart. And I have just decided to speak. I don't know. I will have repercussions on what I speak. There will be people who will be there, especially for those people on Facebook also. I want to tell them. Remember, I got a family also. Remember, I have not made money. I am घर गेल ना. कोणे सांग नी मुगे घरा किती हा मुगे भुरग्यां पासून I don't know. जायजन उलयताय हांवें मुगे भुरग्यां बारीक सादो मनीस मुगे फॅमिली आनी जेवणाक आनी बरो 5 स्टार वयता पॉलिटिशियन 5 स्टार 7 स्टार भोंवताय मुगे भुरगीं आनी मुगे फॅमिली 5 स्टार आनी 7 स्टार जेवणाक गेलाय लास्ट केदो जेवणाक गेले ती म्हाका मुगे काडी जोडोता हेजे फाटी मुगे भुरग्यांक चोयल जाल्यार म्हाका एक फाट आय एम ग्रेटफूल मुगे भुरगीं म्हाका क्रिसमसाक एक न्यू ड्रेस मागनाय म्हाका कडेन दॅट इज माय फॅमिली For those people who are talking, I have taken money, and for those people who are talking against me, I will reply to all allegations. I want to tell each and every person of Goa what I am today. I came up, I ZP गेले हांव आमदार जालो लोकां बरोबर रावलो. हांवें भेदभाव केलो ना लोकां मदें. हांवें बारीक मनीस, मोठ मनीस, क्रिस्तांव, कोंकणो कितें म्हणटा हांवें केन्ना केलो ना. I have always worked with the people. बारीक एक सामान्य मनशाक जस्टीस दिवपाक केलें. For those who call me, I am not stable. I want to tell them. I am 15 वर्सां मशीन चलयली शेताची. पॅन्डेमीक जालें. हांवें पॅन्डेमीक जाता आसतना मुगे ऑपरेटर लायन आसूं मुगे हेल्परा लायन मशीन चलयली. रिस्क घेवन लोकांक केन्ना उणी करूं ना. For those who are talking against me that I am taking money, and for those, even those allegations I want to answer. I want to answer each and everything, whatever has been spoken. I have been following Facebook, I have been following a lot of comments of the people of Goa. I am grateful to the people of Goa. My heart goes out to my people, to my constituency and to my people. I will tell you, till I die, I will remain this, and I will always be the same. I will not go for money and for anything other than the interest of Goa and my people, which I always have kept first. Now, after becoming MLA, I Congress party support केलो. 2007 दिगांबर गवर्नमेंट पडटालो. आमदार जायन रोखडें आमी सेव्ह काॅस्टान भितर सरले आनी मर्ज जाली. सोड मर्ज जाता आसतना सगळे बेनिफीट कोणा मेळ्ळे ते सोड तें हांवें उलयचलें. बट हांवें केन्ना म्हाका कितें मेळ्ळो ना, केन्ना झगडो ना. हांव झगडो फकत मुगे लोकां पासत, आनी मुगे लोकांक कांय करून ना जालें, कांय करूं मेळना जाल्यार हांव झगडलो. जालो आमदार जालो, सेकंड टायम आमदार जालो. हांव 2012 पर्रीकराक हांवें ऑपोजिशन केलें. दोनीच इश्यू सांगता. पर्रीकरान म्हाका सांगिल्लें, तूं कित्याक उलयत रे म्हणपाक लागलो. तुगे सगळे काँग्रेसा आमदार आपणागे खंयचे हांव भितर सरताय, खंयचे भायर सरताय तें सांगताय म्हणून लागलें. तूं कितें रे, तूं एकलो मनीस कित्याक येना आपणा म्हणलें. आपण म्हणलो तूं 50 crores पॅकेज दिता, 60 crores पॅकेज दिता डेव्हलपमेंट इन माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. उलयत कित्याक तूं, म्हाका कित्याक तूं म्हणजे आपणा हें करता, सुसेगपेट हें करता काय म्हणपाक लागलो. हांवें करूं ना, आय डिडंट कॉम्प्रमायज. मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी म्हूण केलें, ऑपोजिशन आहा म्हणून. हांवें ऑपोजिशन सार झगडलो. कोण म्हणटा हांवें विजयाको कितें गेला, कोण म्हणटा आनी कोणाक गेला. सगळे एलिगेशन तिका आन्सर करता हांव. हांवें कोणाको कांय गेलें ना. हांवें मुगे लोकांक आनी मुगे मनशांक जावं मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक काळजीन काम केलां. आतां आमदार जालो काय ना, सगळें काम केलें आनी आमदार जालो काय ना, मागीर नेक्स्ट स्टेपाचेर केन्ना मिनिस्टर जालो ना. मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी मिनिस्टर जालें जायत जालें ना. बरी आसतना केन्नाच मुगे लोकांक उणी करूं ना. हांवें मुगे फॅमिलीक उणी केलें, पूण लोकांक उणी करूं ना. आमदार जालो काय ना, नेक्स्ट सगळें आतां सेकंड एलिगेशन, कम टू सेकंड एलिगेशन. वॉट आय did for the Congress party. ना बरें, before that I'll answer why I joined the TMC. Congress party हांवें सांगिल्लें, आमची पार्टी सांगिल्ली. हांवें केन्ना वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट मागो ना. तांकां सांग न्ही हांवें वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट मागिल्लो म्हणून. हांवें वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट हांवें मागलो. हांवें कांय मागलो ना नेगोडे. तेणी म्हाका येयले, म्हाका लागले कित्याक तूं हें करता. हें जालें काय ना, मागीर एलिगेशन, सेकंड एलिगेशन कित्याक जॉइन जालो. लेट्स कम टू दॅट. I told तुमगे स्ट्रॅटेजी कितें. तुमगेले what about your propaganda, what about your survey, what about so many things. मागीर इश्यू येयलो MGPचो. हांवें म्हणलें MGPको अलायन्स कोरे. हांवें म्हणलें तुमी MGPको अलायन्स कोरे. हांवें म्हणलें विजय सरदेसाय गो फॉरवर्डी कोरे. हांवें म्हणलें कोरे. म्हाका जायत ना कोत्ते तोंडा म्हजें एलिगेशन घाताय. I am in league with Vijay Sardesai. I mean, we have to unite and fight the BJP. Every time I spoke of unity, म्हाका जायत फावट कॉन्फिडन्स सांगें नासलें. MGP को 5-7 मिटींग केली. म्हाका खरो ना, but I didn't create problems. I didn't create problems for the party. I said nothing doing. I said remain with the party. Come on, do something. Then came Rowan County. Whether Rowan County wanted to come or not, that was another story. Rowan County may have not wanted to come. Let's not go into it. I said, get them on board. Right. Do something. Then next, I said, Michael Lobo, I'm going to see what you're doing. Somebody is saying that you are coming. What to do next? Try something out. Do something. Don't let an opportunity fail. Then I saw that AMC was doing something. From zero, they came to somewhat, almost some small percentage, whatever it is. They were able to do something, whatever it is, right or wrong, let us not go into it. The results will show. But there is no fire in the belly. At least they had some fire to do something. They were, consistent buggers. They sitting on a head to do something. I want to answer what I have done for the Congress Party. From 2012, we did so much of work. Swadan Zogorle, Congress Party, CFK, Play Party. Election by last MP election support kela MP. Swadan Congress Party ka bora. And Gulopak, is it right and proper for me? Allegations are answer. Is it right and proper for me? Can I say Atma Airport Jeta Sona ek ML or industrialist medal? He's an exporter of iron ore. Tamaksada Digam Raspala Mutalachi. Is it right and proper for me to say that he was supposed to go to the BJP? Or whether he has not gone because they have not taken, it's not right and proper. I am not a person who will speak that much. Adi 2 वर्ष तुम काम केले काँग्रेस पार्टी तो power आणली. इतली कोईश केले. BJP के ऑफिस से जाऊँ आता हूँ TMC गेलो. नहीं ऑफिस से see the structure, see the system they are operating. They have got a war room. They have got social media team. They have got so many things. Now politics doesn't work like that. You have to be astute. You have to do something. You have to come. Propaganda say, I'm getting propaganda na. All these issues I have been raising before the Congress Party. Allegations are there, which is the most important. Patna ke allegation are there. Inga ani dego amdar alne bidar. Ma khabar na le. Atu leta kotta. Thanks sambrawo na. Maki line dilo. Chief Minister na kabul. Sode. Am kena ire kama lagun pita lagun hoita. Sode te sogle. Itu confidence na आज उले तो itu tem बोलो ना अगर आओ तो लम्बा ज़ाया लो ले इन्हें मुझे उले लो. I wanted them to speak against me. I wanted to know what they are going to speak. Mr. Dinesh Gundurao, Mr. Digamar Kamath, I want to tell you something. Is it right and proper for me to tell you, for me to say? I will not say those things, but I just want to make a suggestion to you when you speak against me. 10 MLAs went out. I want to ask Girish, 10 MLAs went out. What do you did? From 16, you got the party to where you have reached the party today. Is it right and proper for me to ask him? There are so many issues before the people of Goa in the Congress Party. Next, I want to say that हे आता कोण हांव प्रमोद सावंत अपोज करता म्हणटा तेंय एलिगेशन आन्सर करता. प्रमोद सावंत सांगनी हांव BJP वचना म्हूण हें सगळें जाता. हांव BJP गेलो जाल्यार म्हाका कोण एक्सपोज जावपाली. मुगे सगळें काम जाता आसलें. मुगे सगळें जाता आसलें. मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी कोणाक चोडय नासलें. आनी कॅन्डिडेट ड्रॉप जायना आसलोलो. आज बाब गिरीशाक विचारता हांव मुगे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणजे तो BJP जॉइन जालो ताका कोणें केक दिलोली. हांवें दिवं ना केक वचोन. Mr. Dinesh Gundurao, Mr. Digamar Kamath, Mr. Girish, I want to ask you questions. I'm just asking, I'm just saying, I'm not even making allegations against you. I'm not a person who will make allegations. I'm not a person who's going to do that. I've got some class. And he's consistent na, stable na, म्हणटा हांव सदां सांगता. आनी 2 वर्स काम केलां. With stable, consistency, opposition केलें तें consistency, stable मायंडाची केलां. अनस्टेबल मायंडाची करूं ना. आनी आमगे लोकांक सांगता. हांवें डिसिजन घेयलां. कोणाचो तरी हर्ट जाला, I will say sorry to them. My family, my friends, I want to tell them today that I want to be grateful for staying with me in the thick and thin of times. I have my friends who have been so much. म्हाका फोनार कितू जाणांनी फोन मारला. हांवें कोण कोणाक फोन केला. हांव माफी मागता कोणा ते फोन केले ना सांगून दिसा. I have in fact everything I have been watching. तरी आसतना आज पोत्तून सांगत आमगे गोंया पासत आमगे लोकां पासत आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूट पासत म्हाका कितें सांगात. I am a servant of the people of Goa. I don't have a bank balance. I have not made money. I don't have big cars. I don't have big things. I don't have big assets. Let somebody show me my challenge. आनी एक दावरांचे एक जोकर आहा तो म्हणजे 2 वर्सां जालें मुझे उलयता. 2 वर्सां जालें मुझे फेसबुकाचेर उलयता. लायव्ह घेता आनी कितें तो उलयता. कारगिल केलां आनी कितें केलां हांव ताका सांगूं सोदिता. तुका केन्ना रिप्लाय केलो ना. तुका हांव सांगूं सोदिता. कारगिल म्हणटा हांवें केलें ना. चॅलेंज जाल्यार तूं डॉक्युमेंट दाखय. लोकां फुडें नाका. आज आमी जेन्ना आमी काम करताले आमी जेन्ना सोशल वर्क आसले तेन्ना 108 नासलोली. आमी लोकांक उबारताले आमगे हातींनी. एक्सिडेंट जालो काय ना आमी आमगे हातीन व्हरताले लोकांक. आमी हॉस्पिटलान लोकां पावय तेन्ना 108 बी नासलोली. तेन्ना जायतोच नासले. आज पॉलिटिशियन आयले काम केलें ना आमचे भाशेन केलें ते भाशेन. बट वी हॅव स्टील रिमेन वॉट आय एम. कोणाक सांग न्ही. पयस गेले कोण आनी कितें केलें तें एलिगेशन फेसबुकाचेर आमी कोणाक केलें. स्टील वी आर हंबल सर्वंट. वी वील रिमेन with the people of Goa. I'm the interest of Goa, no compromise on the interest of Goa. And ये party कितें? TMC is same ideology party. तेका लागून हांवें तो स्टेप घेतला. आनी एक गोंया कितें बरें जायत, गोंया बरें जावपा जाय म्हणून हो स्टेप घेतला. आनी कितें जाय तें आमच्या लोकांक म्हाका कितें सांगलें, आय एम रेडी. आय हॅव नो इश्यूज. कोणें समजोच न्ही की म्हाका कोण पयशे जाय, म्हाका कितें पावर जायो, म्हाका कितें जाय. आमगे लोकांक कितें जाय. लोक आमकां एक लेटर घेवन येता जॉबाची. लोक आपणाक कितें गरजी येता. लोक आपणाक कितें काम करपाक मागता. आमकां जायना तेन्ना गाडी देंवता. हांव हार्ट सिक्स इन आवर बुट्स. हांव घराकूय एकलें गेलो कोणाय घरा कडेन तेन्ना आपणाक बायल कॅन्सर जाला तेन्ना तुवें आपणाक हेल्प केन्ना म्हणपाक लागलो. He insulted me, no issues. I was not hurt on the insult, but my heart sank in my boots. I could not help somebody. Why we could not help? It's because we are in opposition. See the ruling. See what not they are doing. They are having sabha, they are having function, they are having so many. Where people also don't come, but they spend money. They are having so many things. I show you things. Paristhiti hui pavati. I temple bang thing. The party which says that they are having so much of development. I show you things. Kizalti paristhiti. Finally, they had to reach a place to say that politics of temple come as When development, they failed. Last card they have used to polarize the people of Goa. I want to tell the people, don't get carried away. Politicians have a role to play. A role is defined that they have to look after the interest. I'll never compromise my interest for the people of Goa. Come what may. Even if I have to, even if I have to, if I have to compromise, I will not do it.
The one question.
There are some comments or some rumors saying that you are not in the political fray anymore. Will you contest? Will you not contest? Will you clarify anymore?
Politics. Mr. Rani even wants to contest. So how can we say I will not be contest?
First time we have seen you so much emotional. Are you emotional, annoyed or angry?
See, I've spoken from my heart. Call it what you want. You like me, you hate me. I've always spoken what I feel. Maybe all these days I have not spoken, only today I have spoken what I felt. So you call it what you want. I leave it to your
Are you hurt with the way Congress was running in Goa?
There is no permanent friends, no permanent interest, there are no permanent friends and permanent enemies. Like that, there are no hurts also in politics. People hurt us, people say sorry to us, we hurt people, we say sorry to people. People get angry on us, people support us back again. It's all in politics. I am not worried about that.
Before joining, had you consulted your voters or now you are going to consult your voters?
I have got elected twice. Once I got twice on the Congress ticket, one on the safeguard ticket. I will go back to my mission. I have taken, we want Goa to thrive. We want my constituency to thrive. We want our people to thrive.
So you are one of the candidates who was on the Congress list already that was declared.
Reginald Saranta! Reginald Saranta!
Had you given any ultimatums to the party before deciding to
I have answered most of the allegations. Don't, ask me, make another allegation. Okay? Done. Anything else?
जाना आगे ना वो साइड में जाना हेलो वो कम लेफ्ट साइड नो हेलो जाना वो साइड में जाना तो कैसा लगेगा तुम हाँ कमान नहीं ये दिस साइड सर वो इन
भाई तुम आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं कौन फिलहाल तो काल कोई चीज नहीं सका तृणमूल कांग्रेस पक्षांता रेजिनाल्ड सरांता
1 minute, 1 minute.
गो इनसाइड मग फाटी तेवढं नसं मरे कसे किती वाजता तुम्ही
कौन फिलहाल तो काल कोई चीज नहीं सका
हां झालं मरे मार प्रसाद